Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today I am going to be doing the third weekly challenge prompt for this month, that word being graceful. This could be pretty hard because I am not the most graceful person in the world. I mean, I literally punched myself in the mouth today trying to grab a box of cereal. But either way, let's get into this painting. So my idea coming into this piece was that I wanted to really imply graceful with just the fluid nature of the watercolors. I started out by adding a very warm palette of reds and yellows. Since my last piece had a very cool palette of blues, I thought having this warm feel would be a nice change in this book. I also wanted to represent the idea of graceful with the ballet dancer silhouette. This way I have a both physical and metaphorical representation of the word. I was trying to decide if I wanted to add something else coming out of her hands besides just the colors, but I decided not to, and since it felt like it already had a lot going on with all the swirls of paint, I really wanted to keep it relatively simplistic in its design. But we're starting to get closer to the end of this piece, so sit back and I will see you guys at the end of this video with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it, our completed piece using the word graceful. As a very non-graceful person, I am happy that this turned out pretty good, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think of it down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure, they're gonna be right in the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. Also, if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over at my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!